All right, personal introduction. My name is Brooke Omise. So a little about me. I live in Wichita, Kansas. I teach at Gordon Parks Academy. I've taught first grade for the last 4 years, and this year I am moving up to fourth. I coach middle school girls volleyball. Our school's pre-K through 8, so I coach volleyball at the school that we're at. I was supposed to be getting married in May 30th, but it got moved back due to COVID. So now I'm getting married July 17th, and I am a dog mom to a chocolate lab, Milo. So my educational background, I graduated from May South in 2011. I graduated from K-State in 2016, and I'm currently working on my master's in building leadership, and I will be completely done in the spring of 2021. So some personal goals. My 1 to 5 year goal, I plan to be married, start having children, live a healthy lifestyle. I would like to buy a home that's kind of a fixer-upper and also buy a boat. My 6 to 10 year goal is to be healthy, flip my first house and profit on the new home, be financially secure, live where kids attend a great school, travel, and be a sports mom. And beyond 10 years, I hope to have a healthy family, a nice home, be financially secure, and travel. My professional goals, 1 to 5 year goal is finish fourth grade, continue coaching volleyball. I will be a team lead this year, continue to do PD trainings, and possibly become like a peer mentor or district coach here in the next 2 years. My 6 to 10 year goal is to be a peer mentor or district coach or an assistant principal at the elementary or secondary level. And beyond 10 years, I'm hoping that I'll be moved up and become a principal at an elementary or secondary school. Why Fort Hays? It was really reasonably priced. It had a great reputation. I had several friends who graduated under the same program that I'm currently in, and it's all online, which was really convenient for me. My expectations, that they prepare me for a building leadership role and that I am prepared and ready for the praxis in springtime. Thank you.